Evaluating function. It is replacing the variable in the function, in this case x, with the value from the function's domain and computing for result. It is called f of a.
Hey up guys, mathematics. I know some of you love math, love numbers rather, and I know some of you hate math and it's very difficult for you to understand. Our objective for this lesson is to learn how to evaluate function. But first, let us know what function is. It is a set of ordered pairs. It is a special type of relation where each element of the domain corresponds at exactly one element of range. In math, you will encounter different problems, numbers, symbols, but in this topic, you will see this kind of symbols. F of x is equals to g of x is equals to h of x is equals to y. You need to know what these symbols mean and also to know what you're looking at when you see this function notation. All of this is labeled by the variable y. That's right, they're just naming the variable y. So when you see this kind of symbols, you will know that this is a function notation and it will not confuse your mind on what you're looking for.
Also noted that the variable inside the parentheses, or if it is a number inside the parentheses,
Is what their x you are plugging into the equation. That's it, alright. So, therefore, every time you see a situation like this, so let's proceed to our second problem. F of x is equals to negative x squared plus 5x minus 3. So when you ask to find f of 2, I will replace every x in the f function with the number 2. Then I'm gonna simplify it. So this is what they look like. F of 2 is equals to negative 2 squared plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3. It is equals to 4 plus 10 minus 3. And then 14 minus 3, so that the final answer will be f of 2 is equals to 11, or the same as y is equals to 11. As of our third problem, f of x is equals to negative 4x squared minus 7x plus 9. So when you ask to find f of 3, I will replace every x just like with what we did for the first two. This is what they look like. F of 3 is equals to negative 4 times 3 squared minus 7 multiplied by 3 plus 9. It is equals to negative 4 times 9 minus 21 plus 9. So, negative 4 times 9 minus 21 is equals to negative 57, and just copy the positive 9. So, it is equals to negative 57 plus 9. So, your final answer will be f of 3 is equals to, I will repeat, f of 3 is equals to negative 48, or equals as y is equals to negative 48. So let's have our fourth sample. F of x is equals to x cubed plus x squared plus x. So when you ask to find f of negative 3, you will replace again every x with negative 3. So this is what they look like. F of negative 3 is equals to negative 3 cubed plus negative 3 squared plus negative 3. It is equals to negative 27 plus 9 minus 3. So your final answer would be f of negative 3 is equals to negative 21, or y is equals to negative. So let's have another sample. f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. So when you ask to find f of 4, your answer will be f of 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 4 squared plus 5 times 4 minus 1. So your answer will be 2 times 16 plus 20 minus 1. So 2 times 16 is equals to 32 plus 20 minus 1 is equals to 19. So it is equals to 32 plus 19. So your final answer will be f of 4 is equals to 51. That's right, 51.
So next, f of x is equals to 3x plus 6x minus 2. So when you ask to find f of 3, you will replace every x with the number 3. So this will become f of 3 is equals to 3 times 3 plus 6 times 3 is equals minus 2 rather. So 3 times 3 is equals to 9, 6 times 3 is equals to 18, and just copy the negative 2. So the next step, 9 plus 16, so you will get a final answer. So you will get the final answer with f of 3 is equals to 25, or just the same as y is equals to 25. That's it, guys. So let's have for our last equation, f of x is equals to 5x plus 6. So when you ask to find f of x plus 3, so it's a long procedure and it's too difficult, guys. So this will become f of x plus 3 is equals to 5 times x plus 3 plus 6. So first multiply the 5 to the x is equals to 5x, and then 5 times 3 is equals to 15, and just copy the positive 6. So when you simplify it, you will get the final answer with, it's so slow, guys, I'm so sorry. So your final answer will be f of x plus 3 is equals to 5x plus 21. That's it. So very good, guys, good job. That's all. So guys, if you have any suggestions, questions, corrections, comments, ideas, or concern on how to improve our videos, just go to mathislove.com/gorg and don't hesitate to write your comments there. And we hope that you learned something about evaluating functions. So I'm Janine Ponce with Nicole Patag from grade 11 HA4B Tourism, and don't forget to follow us on IG and Twitter. So don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.